Hey guys, welcome back to RS Car Premium. So we have got a Creta basic model. So we are going to convert it to top end. So let's go and check it out what all modification RS Car Premium has done on Creta base model. With respect to exteriors, what we have done is we have added a headlights for low beam as well as high beam of RS Car Premiums. So on base model, we don't get an auto folding mirror. We have added an auto folding mirror which will work on switches as well as on the remote, which is of Hyundai genuine parts. On top, if you see, we have added a roof rails and shark fin antenna for the looks. To protect from rain, we have used a door visor as well. On interiors, we have added an Android system with 360-degree camera, which comes with a 4GB RAM and 64GB internal. On basic, you don't get any speakers, so we have added an Alpine component, Alpine coaxial with a 4-channel Alpine amplifier, along with 2 layers of damping. Company seat covers comes with a fabric, so we have added a completely autofoam seat covers. With a 7D mats and the steering also wrapped with black with red. So other most important thing is sunglass holder, because you don't get any other source of light. So we have added a sunglass holder, and all the interior lights we have added with white bulbs. So if you guys wanted to get a car upgraded from base to top end, please do reach out to RS Car Premium.